Guys, what's up today? Today we're going to be tutorial how to make the noise with a wine glass by rubbing your finger on the top. Thanks, guys. We're going to go over there. The thing you need is a wine glass. But it can be glass or crystal, either one. Second thing you need is a type of water or liquid. First thing you have to do, let me place the camera down. Oops, my bad. What you're gonna do is gonna take the two objects and pour the water or liquid halfway through up to the glass, about that much. After you do that, you stick your finger in the water and have about no excess on your finger, just a little, make it damp. Third thing is to do. All you have to do is just, after you take your water, hold the glass down with your hand, and just, it might take a few times. Just rub your finger around, and then when it stops, get more water, and rub around. And that is how you do the vibration of the noise while rubbing your finger. Thanks, and bye.